tyre. This is the VW Golf R, which is a sports model. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure light and everything. Just to do that, before anything, you can check the tyre sizes here, whatever you've got on the car basically, and the pressures as well. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. You can obviously start the car up. You'll see on the display there's a warning, so please add washer fluid. We don't need to do that. Now that's a tyre pressure loss as well. Now to check it through the system, you can always press this button here, press OK, press OK again. Now you to go right to see your faults. That's it, vehicle status. So you got one, and then you press down, you've got one problem, and then you got the second problem. Second problem is quite simple, just get a washer fluid and top it up. Now to reset it, that's the light we need to get rid of. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. This is the new Golf, so obviously the system is all like nice display system. You press the car button right there, go into settings. Now you've got the tyres personalization, so what we need to do tyres. I've already done the tyre pressure. Please confirm. Tyre pressure stored. Now you see there's no warning light. So what I do now, switch the car off, take the keys out, reset the car, start the car back up. Now you'll see. Okay, that's the only problem now. Just need to, the customer needs to top up his washer fluid. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.